Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to purchase this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 combo or just pocket camera with gimbal here. And see here, this is available for 49,000 and also 74,000. This is on the Flipkart. When I check the same here, without the combo it is 49,000 on Flipkart and same the 49,000 and some change on Amazon also. This is on Amazon and this is on almost nearly 50,000 on both the sides. But coming to the Pocket 3 Creator Combo, it is 75,000 nearly, and this is showing like 70,000, 5,000 difference is there. And I just checked the box contents here. In the box, I'll be yes, one sports action camera, type 2 city, type C, protective cover with strap, handle with thread, wide angle lens, mic to transmitter, mic to windscreen, mic to clip, battery, handle, mini tripod, quick start guide, and the same almost the very similar or almost the same box contents on the Amazon also. But I don't know why on the Amazon it is getting like 5,000 lesser price. And note this point, these prices will change from time to time. Okay, as of now while I checking this, see here, so please do comment and let me know which one would be better for product unboxing. Means I already have this tripod from Tygot, and I have a good camera phone also, Moto Edge 50, which can record 4K videos. But the main issue is, see here, I can record some 4K videos here, right? But time and again I need to fix it to this tripod, and there is some disturbance with the notifications and the calls in between. And also whenever I want to attach this, it's becoming a bit problem here, and with this adjustments and everything. But this has this gimbal sort of adjustment within the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. So that's the reason I just want to try this, and please do comment your opinion. Which one would be better? Should I go for the combo or just this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 sports and action camera? Yeah, there is 25,000 or 20,000 price difference, and anyway it is coming a bit lesser here. If anyone wants to check the details, I'll be dropping the link in the description. You can check for the details here, and please do let me know which one is good. And I hope I am wishing for the comments. I just want to unbox some quality audio and quality video, so I'm planning to buy this. And if anyone are already using these cameras, please do comment your real user experience, so that whoever reading these comments will be helpful for them also. Yeah, thanks for that.